This video is going to go over taking our images from Canva and inputting them into our flash sale Google Doc and setting up the categories. So the first thing you want to do is navigate to canva.com and log in. Once you're logged in, you're going to scroll down to all of your designs. Because we're working with our flash sale posts, we're going to go to the red and green flat lay. And it's going to bring up all of the flash sale images that you helped put together. Once you do so, you're going to click the little arrow up here to download those images, and you're going to wait for them to download to your computer. Images are downloaded, you'll have them saved within your computer in a download file, and it's going to list them all on the side. The best way to do this so you can see what's going to be there is you can drag them right on over to like your desktop so that they pop up on your screen and it's easy to tell what they are, so you can drag them over one by one or as needed. And then once you're in your desktop, you'll see them kind of sitting here on your home screen, and you can see what they are. Like these are both enhancements products. You're going to move into our Google form. I did share a link with you, and I'll also put it in our task description. And you'll scroll down to the appropriate category. If we were working on bath and body products, we would push a little plus button. We would go ahead and add in our photo, but because we're working on enhancements, we'll move down here to enhancements, push our plus button, we'll add in our photo to bring up our product. If you're using a PC, it might look a little different, but you'll go to upload and browse. And then because I put them on my desktop, I can just move to where it says desktop and click it, and you'll see that this is for the Booty Ease. We'll open it up. And then once it loads, it's going to populate into the Google form. We'll title the question, Booty Ease. And then you would, of course, title it however need be for the product. So if it's a product that says Coochie, you would title it Coochie, so on and so forth. If you're not sure where it goes, just put it into a section and I can move it around. Not a big deal. And then instead of multiple choice, we're going to change it to check boxes. And we're going to go ahead and label it 1, 2, or 3. And we'll do that for all the products that only have like one price point listed like this. For products that have a multiple price point, so something that was like 1 for this price, 2 for this price, we just put short answer. And for the short answer, let's say we would put scent choice if it's scented and quantity, and they can type in what they would like. Now, once you go ahead and input the product into the Google Sheet, what I'd also like you to do is then navigate back over into our product info Google Sheet, and you're going to use the tab at the very bottom that says Flash Sale Products June. Once you're in that tab, you'll go through and you're going to find the products that you put into our Google Sheet. So we just put in Booty Ease. So we're going to go to our product info Google Sheet, and we see Booty Ease here. What I would like you to do is to highlight the cell. I don't care what color you do to highlight it, but once it's inputted into the Google form, just go ahead and highlight it for me. Once that's done, you can then move back over into our Google form, hit the plus button in the category that you need to go to, and add in the next product, and you'll repeat the process until all of our flash sale images are inputted into this Google form.